welcome to our video. Today, we will explore the endangerment of one of the most intelligent and unique species on Earth, the orangutans. But before that, let me tell you several fun facts about orangutans. Orangutans share about 97% of their DNA with humans, making them one of our closest relatives. Orangutan also build a new nest to sleep in every night. They use branches, leaves, and twigs high up in trees and make cozy beds. Other than that, they have strong family bond because baby orangutans stay with their mothers for up to 6 to 8 years to learn survival skills. Orangutans have distinctive appearance. They have long, shaggy, reddish-brown hair. They cover their body and they also have a flat face. They also have a very long arms, longer than their legs, useful for swinging in trees. They have a large and strong with a round belly. They also have grasping hands and feet with opposable thumbs and big toes. They are the largest tree-dwelling mammals and are incredibly impressive. Nowadays, orangutans' population have declined over 50% in the last 60 years due to deforestation and illegal hunting. This video is brought to you by Group 5, Adam, Darwish, AFIFAH, HUSNA, FARHANA, and me, SHAMIMI. This video aims to raise awareness about the threats faced by orangutans and the urgent need for conservation efforts. We will cover the locality of orangutans, the importance of orangutans to our ecosystems, and the threats of orangutans. Other than that, we will cover the conservation efforts for orangutans and also the suggestion to protect orangutans.
When we talk about orangutan, Asia's only great ape located on 2 islands, Borneo and crucially Sumatra. The Sumatran orangutan is located on the island of Sumatra, which is the entire part of Indonesia. But their range today is severely restricted. They once roamed the whole island, but today they are exclusively located on the northern tip within the region of Aceh and northern Sumatra. Their absolute stronghold, the Leuser ecosystem. This protected area is a global biodiversity hotspot and home to roughly 90% of all wild remaining Sumatran orangutans. This highly fragmented, precious noted locality is what stands between this critically endangered species and extinction.
Do you know, saving an animal can save an entire forest? The animal is orangutan, one of the smartest and most important creatures in our rainforest. And their role are so much bigger than most people think, which is they are very essential to the survival of ecosystem. First of all, orangutans are often called the gardener of the forest. Because they eat a lot variety of fruits and travel long distances, spreading seeds as they go. This helps new trees and plants grow naturally. Without them, many plants will not be able to grow and the rainforest will slowly dying out. And this leads to the next important point, which is protecting biodiversity. Because orangutan helps new plant growth in the forest, they also support biodiversity, which means more kind of life in the forest. A healthy forest full of life create homes for insects, birds, and other animals. But their impact doesn't stop there. It even affects our planet's climate. The rainforests are often called as the lung of the earth. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen to the surrounding. By helping the forest grow and stay strong, orangutan also play a role in fighting the planet's climate change and keeping our air clean. And here is another reason why orangutan are important to our ecosystem. Orangutan, also known as an indicator species. This means that their population reflects the overall health of the entire forest. If the number of orangutan is thriving, this shows that the forest is in good condition and functioning well. But if the number of orangutan is declining, this shows is a warning sign to us that the forest is in danger. In this way, orangutan serve as the early warning signs to the environment. Protecting them ensures that the rainforest can remain stable and strong.
Hi, this is AFIFAH. The greatest threat to orangutans is deforestation. Vast areas of rainforest are cleared every day to make space for palm oil plantations, logging and agriculture. When the trees fall, the orangutans lose their homes. Palm oil is found in so many everyday products, from snacks and to shampoos, but unsustainable palm oil production is destroying critical orangutan habitat. Orangutans also face the threat of illegal hunting and the pet trade. Babies are taken from their mothers, who are often killed in the process. It's a cruel practice that pushes their numbers even lower. Climate change adds yet another challenge. Rising temperatures and forest fires destroy even more of their fragile ecosystem.
Hi, it's HUSNA. So, orangutan conservation focuses on habitat protection, which includes establishing and expanding protected areas and wildlife corridors to connect fragmented forests. So, I'll be talking about the action taken for conservation of orangutans. Firstly, WWF, in collaborations with other organizations, have embarked on a forest restoration program within Bukit Piton. As a result to this, orangutans are using the reforested areas to expand their feeding grounds. And secondly, the government has banned the ownership and illegal trading of orangutans. This is due to the babies being taken from their mothers to be kept as pets or sold into the illegal animal trade. And lastly, WWF has also worked with traffic in order to rescue trafficked orangutans, which recover in refuges and are eventually released back into the wild.
My name is FARHANA. Today, I would like to share some suggestions to protect orangutan. Orangutan live mainly in the tropical rainforest of Borneo and Sumatra, but their homes are disappearing at an increased rate. Why? Because forests are being cleared for agriculture, especially palm oil plantation, as well as illegal logging and urban development. So, the first step we must take is to protect their habitat. These forests are not just home for orangutan, they are part of a complex ecosystem. By enforcing stricter anti-deforestation law and turning more area into protected reserve, we can give orangutan a safe place to live, find food and raise their young. The second way to help is by raising awareness. Many people simply don't know how serious the situation is. That's why we need to spread the message in school, communities, and especially through social media. Education can spark change. When more people understand the problem, more will be willing to take action. Next, we can support conservation organizations. There are amazing good out there, like the Borneo Orangutan Survival Foundation and the Sumatran Orangutan Conservation Program. That rescues, rehabilitate, and release orangutan back into the wild. We may not all be able to work in the jungle, but we can donate, fundraise, or even volunteer to support their effort. Another important issue is the illegal wildlife trade.
Orangutan are often captured for their exotic pet threat or harm during habitat destruction. Government must strengthen enforcement against poaching and illegal trade by increasing patrol, imposing heavier penalties, and shutting down illegal market. Public support and reporting of suspicious activity can also help curb this issue. These all are not just about one action. These steps, when done together, can create a powerful and lasting impact. A very small action matter, whether it's sharing a post, planting a tree, or choosing product with sustainable plant oil, will all have a role to play.